How to add the Alt+Backspace macOS typing functionality to Windows. I use a Mac, and if I press Alt+Backspace it deletes the entire word. This way it is simple for me to delete many words one after the other very quickly. May I use the same functionality on Windows 10? Mapping a shortcut to delete an entire word and not character by character.
Please use Ctrl+Backspace on Windows to delete an entire word.
You can remap the hotkey using AutoHotkey. The following script will do it. Set it up to run on Windows Startup or when you log in. Note, on my PC, Alt+Backspace seems to be undo, same as Ctrl+Z. AutoHotkey will replace the existing functionality while the script is running.
If you wanted to emulate the Alt+Backspace which deletes the word to the left of the cursor, it is possible that you would also want to emulate the Command+Backspace functionality, which deletes a line to the left of the cursor. Assuming that you use the native Ctrl+Backspace Windows functionality to delete the previous word, you can remap Alt+Backspace to delete the previous line. This is especially convenient as on most Windows keyboards the Alt key is approximately in the same position as the Command key on Mac computers. The following AutoHotkey script would achieve the aforementioned functionality.
Ctrl+Backspace to delete the word on the left of insertion point. Ctrl+Delete to delete the word on the right of insertion point.
If you want some support, please consider supporting.